Buongiorno! Welcome to Quiz 2 Review. So this quiz has 18 questions and 4 different sections. I've got the quiz explanations, the quiz details in front of me that are on Moodle. For every quiz, you'll have 45 minutes to take the quiz from the time you open it, 45 consecutive minutes. And please, like before, and like on all quizzes, take the quiz by yourself without anybody else's help. Honor policy. Please stick by that. So questions 1 through 5 deal with vocabulary. The alla facoltà vocabulary located on pages 16 and 17. Some of you guys have already noted in the video tutorial you did on this that you use word association to help you memorize vocabulary. This is great. Some words are similar to Spanish. And so if you studied Spanish or French, you know these words. Other words are similar to English, so you can remember them that way. And this goes for all vocabulary, not just this particular vocab that we're doing now. And some words are similar to other words in Italian. You can also use silly word association, anything that helps you remember a vocabulary word in Italian. So this semester we will be learning a lot of vocabulary, which I hope you remember. I hope you remember a lot of this after the semester is over. So multiple choice vocabulary on the first part of the quiz. Questions 6 through 10 conjugate the verb essere according to the subject given. So you will be given either a subject, which could be singular or plural, or a subject pronoun, also could be singular or plural. And you need to actually type in the form of essere that corresponds to the subject that you're given. Questions 11 through 15, choose the form of the adjective that correctly agrees with or modifies the subject given. So you'll be given a subject, somebody's name or several people's names, or just a subject, and then you'll the gender of the subject will be identified if it's not easily identified by the name given. So you will have to then choose, multiple choice, the correct form of the adjective to modify that particular subject. And then last 3 questions, 16 through 18, in a complete sentence, because we are also learning time, how to tell time in Italian this semester. So you need to write a complete sentence that tells the time on the clock that you see. So, for example, if a clock I see says the clock says 3 o'clock, and these are all minute and hour hand clocks. So if you see a clock and it says 3 o'clock, you would type in sono le tre. Or if you want to use 24-hour clock, you would say sono le quindici. And then you can to type, if it's 1 o'clock, for example, you would just type the letter E for e, and then an apostrophe immediately after that. The computer is very sensitive, and I have laid out the instructions well. So please read those instructions for the clock and time questions, because the computer will be sensitive to what you type. You need to start with a capital letter, for example, and end with a period. Like you're typing a complete sentence in any language. Start with a capital letter, end with a period. And that concludes the Quiz 2 review. If you have questions about the quiz, certainly before the last minute, send me an email. The quiz is open from Monday at midnight all the way until Sunday night at 11:55 p.m. So you have all that time to take it. Allow yourself enough time to study, feel comfortable with the material, ask me questions, and then take the quiz. In bocca al lupo. Ciao.